Students, chapter number 5 is completed. Now we are going to cover the exercise of chapter number 5. Chapter number 5 exercise is on page number 155 till page number 157. In the exercise, the first question is select the best answer for the following MCQs. It is on page number 155 and there are 10 statements and I have mentioned all the correct options for these statements. You can see the answers from the back side of your book. These answers are also given at the back side of your book. Question number 2 is write short answers of the following questions. It is on page number 156 and there are 10 short question answers for the short question number 2. Starting from question number 1, describe any 3 difficulties a company may face in running a business without having computer network. So basically I have mentioned these 3 difficulties if a company is not having any computer network. So I have mentioned 3 points over here. You can copy it in your registers in your neat copies. Question number 2 is what is meant by data transmission. I also described the data transmission in my slides also and I have written the answer over here. You can draw the diagram also. If you want to extend the answer, you can also define the sender, medium and receiver in one line. Question number 3 is differentiate between half duplex and full duplex transmission mode. The answer is on page number 142. You have to give the heading of half duplex and the full duplex transmission mode. You have to write it in the tabular form. In the column form you have to write on one side you have to return the half duplex mode and on the other side you have to write the full duplex mode, and diagram is compulsory for this question. The fourth question is define network architecture and the answer is on page number 143 heading 5.1.4. You have to write all the paragraph, you have to write the complete paragraph under the heading network architecture, and you can also mention the names, just names of the network architecture like client server, peer-to-peer and point-to-point network. No need to describe these type of network architecture because it is a short answer. The fifth question is differentiate between a server and a client computer. The topic is on page number 143, but I have also written the answer in your slide. You can directly write it from this slide also. Don't forget to draw the diagram along with this question. Question number 6 is compare local area network LAN and WAN. The answer is on page number 145 till page number 146. You have to write only the characteristics of LAN and this network and draw the diagrams. Question number 7 is why star topology is more reliable than the bus or a ring topology. In the star topology, you can also write the advantages of star topology. It is on page number 150. On page number 150, here is advantages of star topology. Here 4 points are mentioned. You can also write the 4 points along with this last point which is mentioned over here. The last point you can write it, send data only to the targeted computer, which is the major advantage of this topology. In question number 8, we have to mention the problems which may occur if the peer-to-peer network is used for a large number of users in an organization. You have to mention only 3 points and I have written the 3 points for you. Question number 9 is define ISDN. The answer is on page number 151 and the last 10th short question is what is CDMA technology. So the CDMA technology is also on page number 152. You have to write these paragraphs. Now question number 3 is the long questions. Write long answers of the following question. Question number 1 is what are the advantages of using networks. For the advantages of using network is on answer is on page number 141 and you have to write the complete paragraph 5.1.2 uses of networks. It has 4 headings. Till internet sharing you have to write the complete answer. Second long question is describe client server network and peer-to-peer network. The answer begins from page number 143. Here the heading is written client server network. You have to write the complete paragraph of it. Then you have to draw the figure which is 5.5. Then characteristics of this network. Then you have to write the heading of peer-to-peer network. And then again you have to define this and you have to write the characteristics of peer-to-peer network. Diagram is important for this also. Question number 3 is describe the types of network based on area covered. The answer is on page number 145. Here the heading is written types of networks based on the geographical area, which is heading 5.2.1. You have to write the complete answer till page number 148 and the heading is internet and the last paragraph is world wide web. You have to write the complete headings of it. The fourth long question is explain the types of network topologies. The answer is on page number 149. You have to write the heading types of network topologies and then writing the line of the first line four types of network topologies which are commonly used are ring, star and mesh, and then you have to write the bus, ring, star and the mesh topology. For each topology you have to write the paragraph for it definition. Then you have to draw the diagram which is compulsory for this question also. Then you have to write the advantages and limitations of each topology separately. The last question is you have to write the note on dial-up and DSL internet connection. The answer is on page number 151. You have to write the headings of DSL and then start describing it, and then you have to write the dial-up line. In this question you have to write the answers from page number 151. You don't need to write the modems over here. So the students, hopefully you have completed the exercise. Like I have provided you the key of short question answers, MCQs and the long question answers. I have prepared some of the extra questions from the book from chapter number 5. Now you have to find the answers of these questions by yourself. Hopefully you will do it easily. Thank you.